Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you another car accessories, which is emergency hammer and a seat belt cutter. So this is very handy product and it comes with double-sided tape also. So this is used to break the window glass in case of emergency. With this dotted pointed metal is there. It is a steel, so no issue of corrosion or rusting also. So to use it, I can't show you, but it is to be directly heated on this your glasses. And this one is to also use can be also used to hit the objects, slightly kind of hammer thing, but not too hard. And this one is a seat belt cutter. So all these things are useful in case of emergency, to break the glass, to use it as a hammer, or if your seat belt is not opening or it is not accessible, you can use this seat belt cutter. Just put that strap of the seat belt here and you will be able to cut it. So this is also a small accessories which is handy, and it is safe and secure also. See, it comes with a cover, so it gets locked also, so no it you will not be getting harmed also. So this is also a kind of safety equipment you should keep in your car. So I'll give the product link in the description, so you can purchase it, and I can recommend you this one. So you can keep it either in here or your glove box. It is very handy and small. See, it basically it is the size of a palm. So I'll definitely recommend you this. So thanks for watching the video, and see you until next time. Thank you.